For today's video, I will show you how I made my entry for Benny Productions Photoshop Battle. For this month's battle, we are tasked to do a blockbuster themed edit, but this month is quite different because of some rules. The challenge is we are not allowed to move the photo around, change the position, or change the dimensions. In short, the default file should not be changed in any way. But of course, we are up for the challenge. Since I am a big Marvel fan, it was the obvious choice initially. But since I also love the 80s vibe, I went with Marty Mcfly from Back to the Future. I didn't just want to transform Benny into Marty, but I also wanted to create the movie's iconic posters. So, without further ado, let's start editing. Let's go! I'll be using this red puffer vest, then adjust it to match Benny. Then I'll divide it into two so we can easily edit each side. Then I'll just mask this away carefully. Okay, this is what we need for now. I'll decrease the opacity because it's easier to warp when we see what's underneath. I need to make this vest move with Benny, so let's try and do that by warping. Just a subtle warp. Just enough for his movement. Next, let's make it look like he's actually wearing it, so let's erase the unnecessary parts. That's it. Let's just erase that carefully. Okay, now that looks like he's scratching his armpit. We don't want that. So let's fix that. I'll just bring out his hand by masking away some parts of the vest. Let's hide the gun because we don't need that also. Now let's do the other side of the vest. I just did the same thing with the warp, so ta-da! Wow. Okay, this looks weird, so let me just fix that. Okay, Marty is wearing blue denim pants, so we need to change these pants to blue. Okay. Let's just brush that. Okay. Then we also need a denim jacket because layering is crucial. I'll be using this 3D jacket for this one. Just like the vest, I need to match the position of the jacket to Benny. I'll be using the arm part first, so let's mask it out. It should be under the vest, so let's move that. Ooh, I think this will fit well. You think so? I'll use puppet warp to match the position of Benny's arms. Okay, let's drag that. Let's just cover this arm. Then I'll add some fold here. I'm still using the denim jacket, but I'm just reshaping this one. Ooh, it sure does fit well. Now let's add the inside part of the jacket. So let's still use this one. Again, let's erase the unnecessary parts. We only need the right side of the jacket for this one. So I'll just do the same thing on the other side. So again, ta-da! Wow. Now his left arm is in a different pose, and I don't think this will work the same with what I did to the other arm. Let's see. Oh, I almost forgot. This one should be something yellowish or something off-white. Now for the left arm, let's try to do some tweaking on the denim jacket. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to lose hope on this one. I'll try adding the fold, maybe it can help. Lol, my god, what is this mess? Okay, I'll leave that for now so we can add some shadows. Okay, I'll brush some over here. So the goal is just to make the clothing more realistic. Okay, ew. That really looks terrible. Oh my goodness. Let's fix that. I'll use the stock photo with real folds this time. I'll use some puppet warp to adjust the position. Okay, that actually looks much better now. I'll just add some shadows over here. And some more shadows overall. So let's do that real quick. Okay, stop. Lol. Now I'll add this soda can, so Benny is supposed to be holding it. I'll just erase the parts where it should be behind the hand. Now I guess that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video with some speed edit. Let's go!